Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to continue working on part 5 of this modern house design. Let's get started. So in the previous video, we were able to start doing the second floor or level 2. So now we're going to continue working on this, and we're going to start by adding some furniture. So what I'm going to add is the bed. So I'm gonna add a queen size bed on the master's bedroom. So to orient it, you just need to press spacebar, and then let's add in another one. Let's add it on this side, and then lastly, let's add in another one on this. Press escape to finish, and then click on component again. Let's look for a nightstand. So let's add in a nightstand on this side and only on this side. And why not add it on this side as well? What we could do is we could click on the bed and nudge it a little bit. After that, let's add in the lamp. So the table lamp should be around on the bottom. So like here. And don't forget to put it at 630, or else you won't be able to see it on the level. So we just want it to be visible. Nudge it on the middle, and this one as well. So we added the beds. Now we could add in the family room. So we will need a couch. So let's add in the sofa, and then let's add in the chair. Like that. And then let's add in a entertainment system again, or entertainment center. Will be like that. And then don't forget, let's add in a coffee table. Okay. Let's add in some nightstand. So we could just click on the nightstand here and CS, and then we can add it here, and also the lamp, and then CS again, like that. Let's insert some credenza table here at the back. So insert, load family, and then let's go back to Canada, and then furniture, and then tables. So let's go back and use a storage, and then we could have this credenza. So now that we insert it, click on architecture and then component, and you'll be able to see the credenza, and you'll be able to put it here. Let's see if we could add in the bookshelf. So let's add this bookshelf on this side and also on the other side. What we could do is we're gonna change this to a double, just a little bit smaller, just to give us some space here, and also here. So instead of queen, we could put it as a double, and then just nudge it in place. Let's insert the toilet. So looking at, let's add this for now. The sink, we're gonna add 2, and then after that, let's go back and look for the tub and the toilet. Sorry, I'm kind of blind, I couldn't see it. So now here, and then we just need the tub, which is right here. So as you can see, it fit. We can nudge it, and let's use annotate and detail line, thin lines, and then choose rectangle. And then that will represent the countertop for the vanity. So now that's done, we could add in some dimension. And then we could add the entire wall. So opening with intersecting wall. So that's all the dimension. Maybe we could add it here as well, just to give everything a chance to follow. So as you can see, we have the dimension, and then after the dimension, we could add in the room tag. So click on room, RM for short. We could add a room right here. Room tag right here as well. This one. This one. We have the toilet. We have the hallway. But we will need to place a room separator for this room. We also need to close this one as well, the stairs. We also need to close the walk-in closet. And then after we close that, we could click on the room again, and then we could add it there. So once that's done, we can press escape, and then after that, click on the scale. So at least it's visible here. We could put WIZ for walk-in closet. This one will be the master. This will be the washroom. Family room. Hallway. We have room 1 and 2. This will be bedroom 3. And then bedroom 4. And then we also have the balcony from the front and the back as well. So next thing I want to do is the floor. So I'm gonna click floor, and then we're gonna edit this and duplicate. So this will be floor number 4. Edit the type. I'm gonna maintain 200 thickness, but I'm gonna change the material. So I'm gonna click on precast. I'm gonna use rectangle for now. So I'm gonna click on that endpoint to this endpoint. After that, press escape, and then I'm gonna click on the line. I'm going to extend here around 700 and close it up like that. So that's good. So for now, we're gonna leave it like this, or actually we're gonna extend it a little bit like that, but we need to turn on the underlay later on so that we could push it back a little bit there. Also in this spot, we could go over, so around 500, I believe. So around 500, and then connect it all the way here. And then let's trim this. So TR, and then TR on this spot. And then click finish. Don't attach. And then now let's turn on the underlay. So go back, go down, and then choose level 1. So now we could attach it on this end. So edit boundary, and as you can see, we're gonna attach it on the end of this. So I'm just gonna use a line AL, this line to this line, then click finish. Don't attach again, and then once we look at it at 3D, it will look like this. So you could click this and then attach. Click this wall and then attach. Join element. Okay. So looking good right now. So we just need to continue. So once that's done, we could add in a railing. So click on railing. Let's choose the rectangle. And then for this one, we could click on the pick line and then offset. So let's offset this to 50. Like that. And then we just need to pull this back and then click finish. Also on this area, same thing, railing, rectangle, pick line, 50, and then from the inside. We could pull this back again, and we're good. So click finish, and let's look at it at 3D. It looks good. So let's continue. So go back to level 2 and let's turn off the underlay. So it looks cleaner. And then now let's add in the window. So we're gonna use curtain wall again for the window. So click on wall and then curtain wall. And then let's add in a curtain wall window right here. And also on this spot. Here as well. Also here. And here as well. So after that, let's go to south elevation. And actually, we still need to cut geometry, so just go back to 3D view and go to modify and click on cut geometry. And then as you can see, you need to click on wall first and then the curtain wall. If we zoom in, the curtain wall will be visible like this. But you need to click on the wall first and then curtain wall to cut. Wall and then curtain wall. So we're good with this. Now we could go to south elevation and I'm just gonna align it from here to there. So AL, I'm gonna align this one to this one to this. I'm gonna pull it up and pull it down like that. So I'm going to align it from the top. So AL. And then for this one, I want it all the way to the floor. So I'm going to align it from this spot as well. So actually for this one, all the way like that, we're going to pull this back. So let me pull this back more. Like that. And it's taking form now. So we're going to stop here for now and continue on the next video. Thank you for watching and I hope you liked the video. Please hit like and subscribe. Feel free to comment down below.